आज गोंय सगळे आमी आयकतात की गोंय टुरिजम डावन जाला. एक कारण टुरिजम डावन जावपाक अशें म्हणटात की स्ट्रे डॉग्स ऑन द बीचीस. हे फक्त टुरिस्टांकूच त्रास न्ही, हो आतां आमचे स्थानीक लोकांकूय त्रास जावपाक लागलो. हांव कुत्रे पोसपी मनीस आनी एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ वीच कुत्र्यांक एक न्यूसन्स कशें पळोवप, समाजान न्यूसन्स म्हणून एक पेटाक पळोवपाक लागलो, हें वायट आनी एक बरी लक्षणां येनी. आमच्या मतदारसंघांतल्यान आमी सुरवात करूंक सोदतात की इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हान फक्त मनशांकूच न्ही पूण कुत्र्यांकूय सेवा दिवंक जाय आनी एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ वीच मनशांची सेवा जाता. हें करपा खातीर हो इनिशिएटीव घेवपा खातीर एक सरकाराची एक पॉलिसी फॉर स्ट्रे डॉग्स ह्या दिसांनी करपाक सरकारान सुरवात केल्ली आहा. आमदारांक आपयल्यात आनी आमची सजेशनां घेतल्या. सरकार उलयता खूब पूण करता कमी, हें क्लियर जाल्लें आहा. मंत्री इज अ वेल मिनींग मिनिस्टर, तो निलकंठ हळदणकर हो म्हजो फ्रेंडूय बी, आनी ताका कितें करूंक जाय पूण तें कशें फुडें वचप तातूंत मदींच तो घुस्पता. मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगिल्लें आहा की बजेट युटिलायझेशन जायना. बजेट मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगिल्लें आहा की बजेट गोंयांत युटिलायज करनात खूब डिपार्टमेंटां. म्हाका खात्री आहा की हांगा बजेट कितें आसा तें म्हाका खबर ना पूण युटिलायझेशन व्हडलें कांय जावंक ना. पूण सरकारान हो इनिशिएटीव घेवंक जाय आनी हो फक्त एक म्हयन्या खातीर वो 3 आठवड्यां खातीर जें आमी करता तें करूनय तो फायदो जावचो ना. तो वर्सभर प्रोग्राम चालू उरपाक जाय आनी वर्सभर प्रोग्राम चालू उरतना कुत्रेय बी आज मनशां परस हुशार जाल्ले आहा. सो कुत्र्यांक जेन्ना कळटा की कॅम्प सुरवात जालो म्हणून कुत्र्यांक धरपाक कुस्तार जाता आनी कुत्र्यांक धरपाक कुस्तार जाता म्हणटकर कॅम्प एंटायर कॅम्पाचो सक्सेस कितले कुत्रे तूं धरता आनी तांकां हाडून स्टॅरिलायज करता ताजेर आसा. सो ताजे खातीर हांव डॉक्टर मुरुगनाक आतां विचारतालो की तुजे कडेन डॉग कॅचर कितले आहा. तो म्हणटा 2 टीम्स. 2 टीम म्हळ्यार 6-12 लोक, 1 डझन कुत्रे धरपी लोक आसा. आमचे 12 वॉर्ड आहा. आमचे मतदारसंघान 12 वॉर्ड्स, म्युनिसिपल वॉर्ड्स आसा. आतां हे 12 मनीस कितले मेरेन आमकां फायदो जातलो म्हाका खबर ना पूण कॅम्प करपाक आनी हे दोतोरांक आनी हाका ताका दॅट इज अ कॉस्ट इनवॉल्व. आनी हो एक आमी सुरवात म्हणून एक ट्रेंड सेटर आमचो मतदारसंघ म्हणून हो एक ट्रेंड आमी सेट करूंक सोदतात. हो कॅम्प बरो जालो जाल्यार हो गोंयांत सगळ्या कडेन हो तांणी रेप्लिकेट करूंक जाता. सो कॅम्प हो यशस्वी करप ही आमची सगळ्यांची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जाता. आतां हे कॅम्प करतना बाय जुडी जे आहा ताणें म्हाका म्हणलें कुत्रेच कित्याक, माजरां कित्याक न्ही काय म्हणून. सो देर आर पीपल हू आर कन्सर्न अबाउट कॅट्स. म्हजी चली फॉर एग्जाम्पल इज अ कॅट लवर. शी हॅज गॉट एडॉप्टेड 2 cats ऑफ हर ओन. हो गड पासपोर्ट. सो आतां एक दीस तांणी माजरां खातीर दवरलेलो आहा, जंय माजरांक स्टॅरिलायज करतले. आनी हे दिसांनी आमकां अशें दिसता की SPDA मार्केट नाजाल्यार सोंसडो हांगा नवीं भुरगीं म्हळ्यार पप्स आनी किटन्स हांकां एबेंडन करतात. सो पोसपी मनशाक एंटायरली काळीजूच ना आनी तो काडटा आनी तांकां सोडटा. थोड्यांक दोळे वचून फुटूंक ना पूण तांकां सोडिल्लें आहा. आतां रामनाथ सांगतालो 40 सुमार पप्स आर देर इन द SPDA मार्केट इटसेल्फ आनी तांचे CCTV चलना. थंय लोकल गुंडा जे आहा ते तांकां घालून सरकार एक्सटॉर्शन पसून सोंपो म्हणून कलेक्ट करता. सो हें चालू आहा. म्युनिसिपालिटी कितें करता, म्युनिसिपालिटीन आमच्या हातान म्युनिसिपालिटी ना. म्युनिसिपालिटी आतां देवाचेर सोडिल्ली आहा आनी देवाच्या मनशाच्या हातान म्युनिसिपालिटी आसा. पूण ती म्युनिसिपालिटी जे एक कुत्र्यांक एक जें कितें म्हणटात तें सेंटर कितें म्हणटात ताका शेल्टर चलोवपी हे जे बाय सँड्रा आहा ताजे पयशे म्युनिसिपालिटी दिना. पुणून तुमचे टॅक्स वाडून तुमचे कडच्यान उखलुपाक एक सारको काडटात गुंडाक सिंगल टेंडर करून ताका टेंडर दिल्लो आहा. हेच म्युनिसिपालिटी. सो हें आतां चालू आहा. म्युनिसिपालिटी एक्सटॉर्शन करता पूण जो कुत्र्याची सर्वीस करता ताका जे पयशे म्युन्सिपालिटीन दिवंक जाय ते म्युन्सिपालिटी करना आनी म्युन्सिपालिटी करना म्हणून आमी हे कॅम्प करचे पडटा. हे कॅम्प आमदाराचें काम न्ही. आमदार म्हणटा तो कायदे करपाक असेंब्लीन आसता, पूण हे आमदारान करचें पडटा कित्याक आमची म्युन्सिपालिटी काम करना जें ताणें काम करूंक जाय तें. सो हे ऑल इन ऑल पळयतना एक अशें दिसता की जे सिस्टम्स जाग्यार जाय एक मॉडर्न समाज फुडें व्हरपाक हे सिस्टम गोंयांत कॉलॅप्स जाल्ले.
And today is a special day, I can tell you, because this is a camp which we always look for, and special thanks to the MLA who has initiated this program, and but for him this camp could not be possible, and he was pressing on us for a long time, I believe, and so this is something, a great initiative by the MLA to have this camp for Fatorda. And as my colleague Dr. Stacey mentioned, this is a very useful program. As you know, sterilization is a fantastic program, and a dog which is sterilized can never get puppies. So that is a plus point of this program. Everybody know about it. At the same time, if it is not done in a proper scientific manner, you may not see the impact of this program, unfortunately. So as she rightly mentioned, all these pet owners should cooperate and get your dogs, utilize this opportunity and get your dogs sterilized, because this is a campaign right in your place, free of cost. This is being done at a huge cost, but it is coming to you like through the initiative of the MLA right at your place. So you have to use this program, and so that we will be able to cover about 70% of the dogs, then it develops and it makes an impact. So this is something which is a big serious impact which we have to create here. Secondly, this is like a model I can see, because we have the initiative by the MLA, local MLA, then we have the local NGO SWGT, so they are participating with us, and we are doing it from Mission WVS Mission Rabies, and this is a combo, so beautiful combo which is going to work out. Similarly, this is something which is a model, so all other constituencies or panchayat or municipalities, they should come forward to take this initiative to their places. That is the idea. So WVS is doing this for quite some time, because we want all others also to follow such initiative like this. So the local people should initiate and start a camp, and we are ready to train them. You have to go and take care of the local NGOs, and through them, if you could do this camp anywhere, we are always ready to train them and give our technical support through our WVS unit, and they are always ready to help. So in this way, this be an initiative which is to be followed by other constituencies or municipalities and panchayat. Slowly, everybody slowly start doing it, we can make Goa less populated in dogs. So that is for sure. But it all depends on us. It is a teamwork. It is not just one MLA who can make it. So it's a teamwork. Everybody should join him. Everybody should follow this and do it in all over Goa to make a real impact on this program.
In the Fatorda constituency, we'll be focusing primarily on sterilizing dogs, free roaming as well as owner dogs, but only Indies, not the breed dogs, because we don't have the gas anesthesia facilities here. The camp will be running from the 6th to the 24th of January. We'll be working Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. We have vets, we have vet assistants, we have our catching team and drivers out here. There is a helpline number as well, which is mentioned on all the posters. Kindly call to make an appointment, because there will be fixed slots per day. There won't be multiple dogs, and you won't be able to bring in dogs, walk in, because otherwise there may not be enough space to keep them. So anybody interested in getting their dogs sterilized, please call on the helpline. The helpline will be active from today, and we will give you appointments every day. We also have a service for people who can't bring the dogs here. We'll have a driver who will be able to pick up your dog and then drop it back post-surgery. So please make best use of this opportunity to sterilize as many dogs as possible, because we'll only be here for 3 weeks. So as many as you can get. This is a follow-up to the camp that happened the year before this. So whatever was missed last time, let's hope to get all of that. We need a lot of help and support from the feeders, the local community. Help us in identifying the places where these dogs stay, help us in picking them up. And if you can contact our team and help them with actually physically catching the dog and handing it over, would be really helpful, because you all know the area, you all know the timings when the dogs come out, you all know which dogs are sterilized and which dogs are not. So we need your help in order to make this camp successful. I'd just like to say a big thank you to my team. We have about 25 people from WBS and Mission Rabies. They've really done an excellent job. They've set up all these tents by themselves. They've been working really, really hard from the last 1 week to get everything together. So let's make the best of it. Thank you.